Good morning. It's only like fucking 31 degrees here in Louisiana, and I got my little buddy heater right there with me. Anyway, I was working on my titanium knife here. Right, not mine. It's Curtis's. But anyway, I wasn't fully accounting for something, and a file, regular Harbor Freight bastard file, will cut the titanium. And if you don't believe me, you can see the shavings coming off of it. See all the little glittery shit? Anyway, after you grind through the titanium oxide layer, a file will scratch it. And I didn't know that. And it's pretty handy information. Have a good one.